A kitchen is the heart of a home. It's a place where the magic of cooking brings people together. It's where families gather, share stories, and enjoy delicious meals. The kitchen is more than just a room. It's a space filled with love and laughter. A kitchen helper plays a vital role in this. They are the unsung heroes who make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. They are the extra pair of hands, the eager learner, and the key ingredient to a happy cooking experience. Their presence can transform a chaotic kitchen into a harmonious one. Being a kitchen helper is more than just tasks. It's about learning valuable life skills. It's about gaining confidence in the kitchen and understanding the importance of teamwork. It's about understanding the effort and love that goes into each dish. Every meal prepared is a labor of love, and kitchen helpers are a crucial part of that process. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime. The shared moments in the kitchen, the laughter, and the joy are what make cooking special. So, whether you're a seasoned helper or just starting, remember that your contribution is important. Every chopped onion, every washed dish, every small task you do, every spice measured out adds to the warmth and joy of the kitchen. Your efforts help create meals that bring people together and make the kitchen a place of happiness and togetherness. Surface for safe cutting. Spices are the heart and soul of many cuisines, especially Indian cooking. Learning about spices is a journey for your senses. Smell them, touch them, and learn their names. Start with common spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Each spice has a unique flavor that can transform a dish. Experiment with different combinations to create your own spice blends. Start with small amounts and taste as you go. Remember, fresh spices have the most flavor. Buy small quantities and store them properly in airtight containers to preserve their aroma. Section 4. Cleanliness is next to deliciousness. Maintaining a hygienic kitchen. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Cleanliness is essential for safe and healthy cooking. Always wash your hands before handling food. Clean surfaces and utensils thoroughly with soap and water. Don't forget to wipe down spills immediately. Organize your ingredients and keep your workspace tidy. This will make cooking more enjoyable and efficient. Proper food storage is crucial. Refrigerate leftovers promptly and label containers with dates. First in, first out. Section 5. The magic of Indian cooking. Essential tips and tricks. Indian cooking is all about balancing flavors and aromas. The right combination of spices can elevate a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Here are a few tips to get you started on your culinary journey into Indian cuisine. Toasting spices enhances their flavor significantly. It releases essential oils and deepens the aroma. Heat them in a dry pan until fragrant before grinding or using them in your dish. This simple step can make a big difference. Onions and garlic form the base of many Indian curries. They provide a rich, savory foundation. Learn to chop them finely or use a food processor for convenience. This will save you time and ensure even cooking. Ginger and green chilies add a refreshing zing to many dishes. They bring a unique heat and freshness. Adjust the quantity based on your spice preference. Remember, it's easier to add more than to take away. Experiment with different types of lentils, beans, and vegetables to create a variety of flavorful curries and stews. Each ingredient brings its own unique texture and taste to the dish. Section 6. Confidence in the kitchen. The rewards of being a skilled helper. Mastering these basic skills will give you confidence in the kitchen and beyond. You'll be able to contribute more, learn new recipes, and impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. Remember, cooking is a journey, not a destination. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Embrace the joy of cooking and the satisfaction of creating something delicious. So, put on your apron, grab your cutting board, and start cooking. The world of flavors awaits you.